In particular, it also emits different energies. Some might say it has a mind of its own, might even jump out at you. So, uh, evidently that's happened. So, basically, this showed up out of nowhere. The same day, I had a cloaked being here in the backyard. 2.5 hours after that, someone, I don't know who or what, slaughtered all our neighbors' chickens, one at a time, until all of them were silenced. All of them. Blood and feathers all over the ground, and the chicken hutch had been ripped open, and the only way to do that is if you have hands. And strong hands. So, that all happened the same night I got this. Recently, I was gifted something. It's a stone. A very odd one.